This is the XT60 Plug, trusted for RC and high-power DIY projects. Gold contacts for solid, reliable connections. The proper way to solder wires. Onto an XT60 plug using flux. First, strip the wire, twist the copper strands, and apply a bit of flux to both the wire and the XT60 connector. Then tin both sides with a light layer of solder. Next, insert the wire into the connector. Heat it until the solder flows and let it cool without moving. Finally, check that the joint looks shiny and strong. Then cover it with a heat shrink tube. Done. Clean and reliable.